My name is Karen Lemmer. I'm one of the Custodial and Grounds Supervisors for Pulaski County Special School District. The supplies we'll be using are the spick and span disinfecting spray. It's a multi-surface spray, so we can use it on any hard surfaces throughout the schools. We also have the Comet disinfecting sanitizing spray, and you can also put it in your mop buckets to clean the restroom floors, clean our restrooms. Both of those products can be put in a spray bottle to make it easier to carry around and use as you need it. And then we will also be using the Clorox 360 cleaner, which goes in our 360 machines. The idea for that is as they come into the buildings from different bus riders, car riders, they can sanitize their hands as they enter the building. And then also as they leave from those entrances, they can leave the building, they can sanitize their hands. Elementary schools will be going behind them as they get into their classrooms. We will do the door stations, restrooms, countertops, and then as each class goes to use the restroom, we will go behind that class and clean the restrooms and sanitize. They will be cleaned and sanitized after each class leaves the cafeteria, as well as the doors, light switches, any doorknobs, anything that they're going to touch. We're gonna touch it and clean that and sanitize. That is going to be going through top to bottom, from the ceiling to the floors, to dust, wipe any windows, things that we normally do maybe once a week. We want to do those every other day. Wednesdays is going to be a good day to take advantage of no students half day. So we will be cleaning, deep scrubbing restrooms, the floors, the wiping walls down, and all of those things. Plus, we will probably be using our 360 machines throughout the schools on those days as well. The teachers and students are going to be helping as well. After each class dismissal, they will be wiping their desks down, as well as any areas in their classrooms. And then we will be there to assist them if they need it. Yes, and we will be doing the tables, seats, anywhere that they're touching as far as getting their food, as well as leaving the cafeterias. We will be doing the best that we can. The products we use are very good products. They are hospital grade. We are very knowledgeable on them. We've gone to many classes to learn how to use these products and how they work. And we will be very thorough, as well as wearing our PPE with our normal daily cleaning. We will be going through the classrooms, wiping down desks and tables at the end of each day. We do have evening custodians that will still come in and clean in the evenings. So they will be as thorough as possible too on wiping the rooms down at the end of the day.